So who are we at Downstream Energy? Well, we're a group of professionals that are organized to help buyers and sellers in that middle market of gas, convenience, and wholesale fuel distribution. So we're not dealing in the bracket bank transactions of $1 billion. We're also not necessarily dealing with smaller transactions, but I'll talk about that. Now we developed a company that will do it. So our focus was that middle tier, chains of convenience stores, 10, 15, 20, 50, 100, that kind of market. Wholesale fuel distribution companies that do 100 million gallons, 200 million gallons, 300 million gallons, or 50 million gallons. That's what we were formed for. And we're helping those that are selling in that industry for maximum exit value, help them build a SIM, find the best buyers, pit them against each other, get the most money. We're buying, we help identify which assets might suit you best. And how do we best buy those? Where's the right deal to be cut on that acquisition? That's what those deal teams do at Downstream Energy. We've even built a company recently called Downstream Energy Properties that's focused on transactions maybe 5 sites and less, specifically individual convenience stores and truck stops, maybe just individual, or it could be 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. That company deals with those. So the smaller transactions, because there's a whole lot more smaller transactions than there are bigger transactions. So Downstream Energy Group focuses themselves on those chains, on those bigger distributors. Downstream Energy Properties focus itself on the individual convenience store and truck stop property, or just where there's a few that need leadership to transact. We can do either one in that middle market of petroleum.